Hello, welcome. My name's Crow. Welcome to Driftwood Hollow Drums. I'm making a sound demo video. It's to accompany one of my Etsy listings. It's for this beautiful, tiny little 12-inch Shamanic drum. So this is looks like an oak, yes, oak wood frame. It has a deer skin drum head on here, and I've laced this with artificial sinew and a nice little silver birch handle. I put deer and oak on the inside of the frame there, so you've always got that reference point. Birthed on the 12th of March 2024. So you've got the the information you need to create an astrological chart, or bring you that information about the energies that were around on that day. Driftwood Hollow Drums, my maker's mark. Put that in there as well. I'm going to play with a couple of different beaters, a soft beater and a firmer beater. This is a firmer beater, and this is the one I would probably, I don't often do this, but I would recommend the firmer beater on such a small drum. The reason being, there isn't a lot of give on a small drum frame like this, and the soft beater relies on a bit of movement in the skin to create the sound, whereas a firmer beater can strike a little bit firmer, harder, and create more of the sonic that we want from the drum. So I would recommend a firmer beater, but I'm going to play with a soft beater as well. That's an option for you, and you may prefer that personally. That's only my preference. So here we go. I'm going to play with the firmer beater. And then the soft beater. Let's see how the soft beater plays. Okay, so the soft beater was actually not too bad, but I still think the firmer beater one was better. But the choice is always yours. I hope the video helps you to make a more informed decision anyway. You were able to hear, so you're able to make a more informed choice, I hope. Okay, I'm Crow. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.